Page 3. So we have an x squared as our parent function. So 0, 0, 1, 1, negative 1, 1, 2, 4, and negative 2, 4. And then I'll start with the inside stuff. That minus 1 moves it plus 1. And then on the outside, we start with the negative and the 0.5 and then the 2. So there's 1, 2, 3 things I got to do. I'll just do both of these at the same time. So the negative flips it over, and the 0.5, since it's on the outside, does what it sounds like. It's a vertical stretch of a half, so it's actually a compress of a half. So we got reflect or flip over the x-axis because of the minus, and then we have compress by 1/2 or 0.5. So this point stays the same. This point that was up 1 goes down to minus 1 and then half as far, minus a half. This point that was at 0, 1 goes to 0, minus 1, but then half as far, 0, a half. The point that was at 3, 4 goes to 3, negative 4, half as far, negative 2. And also, there. And then finally, the last one is up 2. So over here, we're going to take this curve up 2. And that's that one. Then it says 2 4s on the original graph. Where does h of x takes that to a new point? So 2, 4 went to 3, 4 by the first one, going right 1, went to 3, 4, and then it got flipped over and half as far, so it's went to 3, negative 4 for the flip over the x-axis, the reflect over the x-axis, and then when it's far, half as far away, so 3, negative 2, and then we lifted it up 2, and it went to 3, 0. So that's where it went. Okay? Number 9. Find the intercepts, the line of symmetry, the vertex, blah, 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 blah. This is clearly shifted 2 to the right, 8 up, and vertically stretched by 5 times. So, since it's 2 to the right, the vertex is 2 and then up 8. So the line of symmetry is x equal, it's a line, so you have to have an equation, equal to, and the y-intercept we get by putting 0 in for the x. So I get 5 times 0 minus 2 squared plus 8. So negative 2 squared is 4. So that's 28. So the y-intercept is 0, 28. It's a point, so I have to do it in point form. And then the x-intercepts, I put 0 in for the y. I'll subtract 8. Divide by 5. And then when I try to take the square root, I'm going to have the square root of a negative, which isn't which is imaginary. So there, for this one, there is x-intercepts, there is none.